Hey everybody, it's Gio from Microsoft at Florida International University, and today is January 5th, 2014. It's 10:05 a.m. and I'm excited today. So I'm going to quickly move over the include feature of Construct 2 with you today. And in this video, this include feature actually is implemented. So I've gone through the trouble of doing all of this code on my own already before showing you this video, so we save a bit of time. However, I'll show you how it works, right? So I have two different worlds that look identical. The only differences are the enemies. So in these two worlds, right, I don't want to retype all of the code I had to type in order to get that world working. So what I did was all of the code that I can reuse, I moved it into a event sheet called generic world code. So this event sheet that has reusable code is, labeled generic, and basically my plan is to include this generic world code on any world pretty much. So I have two different worlds which can both, that can both implement this event sheet. And once they do that, then I gain the rest of the functionality I need without having to type the code over and over again. So this really helps you on events. If you're using the free version of Construct and you have like 100 and a 100 event limit, the include feature is gonna definitely help you save up on events if you're, trying to modularize your code and not have to, use too many events for a game. So this is all the code is. Each world has updates specific to that world because the updates involve the enemy. So instead of abstracting that even further and just taking what I needed, I kept the whole update group of each world in the respective event sheet. And I just did that not to confuse you guys. So if we look at the worlds, they look different, right? They function a little bit differently, but I'm able to obtain the same functionality by including the generic world code on each of these. And it's one line of code, and I don't even think it counts as an event. So it's super awesome, and I'm going to show you in a second how it works. Right? So here is my menu layout, and I designed this layout so I can go to the either world if I wanted to, right? And I'm going to just do that. So I click World 1, and you already know how World 1 may work. It's like a traditional helicopter game. And you just move up and down, and up and down, and you can escape hitting the escape key because I added the escape sequence. So if you go to World 2, it looks a little different, right? And it's the same movement, but look, the enemies are different. So technically speaking, at this moment, we have two different worlds. They have different backgrounds and different enemies. And I'm able to minimalize the code I have to type in order to come up with the second world. So it's absolutely great. And that's really all I got to show you guys. But yeah, anyways, that is how you use and include in Construct 2, and you just have to be very careful, because if you don't keep track of what you're including and how you're including it, you may end up overriding certain features or really messing with your game. And that's the reason I call it something dangerous. So anyways, have a great day guys, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.